Hello everybody, it's Teacher Chris here again from my kitchen, or you can call me Chef Chris because we're here again to make some shepherd's pie together. Last time we met, we talked about shepherd's pie. I showed you some, which was missing the mashed potatoes, and I ran out of peppercorns. I ended up having to sing a song about it, and you may be surprised by another song today. Let's wait and see. But meanwhile, we're going to make our shepherd's pie together, and I have all the ingredients here waiting for you and ready to go. There's the bottom layer of a ground meat. Here I'm using ground turkey that I've sauteed with some onions, garlic powder, poultry seasoning, salt and pepper. Smells very good. That's our bottom layer. And the middle layer will be some vegetables. I have some corn here and some carrots that I cooked and cut up into these little pieces with a little butter. I love butter. And we're going to make our mashed potato crust together. So for our mashed potato crust, we'll add some butter that I've put in the microwave. And let's do a little mashing. These are nice and soft. These are the golden potatoes that I really like. And there's nothing like potatoes with some butter, some cracked black pepper. I think my bowl's a little small. I didn't realize how many potatoes I had here. Wow. Let's add a little more butter. I love butter. While I'm telling you about how much I like butter, let me give you some facts. Butter is actually healthier than you think. It's full of omegas and vitamin A, which is really good for hair, eyes, and skin. And you can see it's really helped a lot with my hair. Butter was first made thousands of years ago from the milk and cream coming from yaks and buffalo, goats and camels. Fortunately, the butter we're using today is from cows. The greatest producer of butter in the whole world is India, where they love to use clarified butter called ghee in many of their dishes. Let's continue mashing the potatoes. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Here's a dash of sea salt. And of course, my favorite, cracked black pepper. That looks good. I think I'll even put in a pinch of my garlic powder. Never have too much garlic powder. Okay, I think we're ready to assemble. For the bottom layer, we'll put in our ground meat. It should be nice with a little bit of gravy so it doesn't dry out. Spread it along the bottom there, nice and evenly. You don't need to grease the pan. That's our first layer. Second layer are vegetables with a nice buttery sauce. I think I'll put a little bit of seasoning on them as well. A little salt. And of course, cracked black pepper. Oh, I dropped one on the floor. That's my vacuum cleaner, Rocky. He's an excellent assistant chef, as you can see. Our second layer are vegetables. I think that's all I'm going to use because we have to leave some room for the top mashed potatoes. Looks like they need a little mixing. I should have put them in a bigger bowl, but hey, use what you have. That's the whole idea of shepherd's pie. You use up everything you have. You can use the vegetables that you have available and meat that you have available. Whatever leftovers you want to put. That looks like a very nice, thick top crust of mashed potatoes. Very nice. Now, we're going to sprinkle a little bit of smoked paprika for some color and a little extra flavor. And a little parsley for the same. And then we'll end it by putting on some dabs of butter before it goes in the oven. Here's one. The more dabs of butter, the better. Here's another one. I'm glad I have all the butter I need to make this and for the many other things that I like to use butter. But, oh no, I think I'm running out of butter. I think, what am I going to do? I think the first thing I'll do is put this in the oven. And then I'll ask my dog. Here it goes in the oven, 350, for about 30 minutes or so, until it's nice and golden brown. Rocky, I'm out of butter. What do you think I should do about it? Sing a song? Oh, Rocky thinks I should sing a song about it, and that's what I usually do when I have a problem, is I sing a song. So let me get my guitar out here. And what are we going to call this song, Rock? I think I'll call it, "Oh No, I'm Out of Butter." Excuse me, can you get down off the counter there? Let's go. Out. Let's go. Over there. Over there. Up, 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 up. Up, up, up. You can see he really listens well. Well, I use a stick of butter when I look for another, but my heart began to flutter. Oh no, I'm out of butter, oh no, I'm out of butter. Where'd my eat. Oh no, I'm out of butter. Gonna call my mother. Oh no, I'm out of butter. Better call my mother. Maybe she has a stick or two. There you go. Oh, I used the butter for an apple pie, and I used the butter when I had some things to fry. I used the butter on just about everything, and that's no lie. Oh no, I'm out of butter. Better call my mother. Oh no, I'm out of butter. Better call my mother. Maybe she has a stick or two. Hey, Mom. Mom? This is your son, Christopher. Yeah, your son. How are you? That's good. You have any butter? Oh, you gonna take a look? Good, thanks. Oh, I used a stick of butter and I looked for another. The heart went a flutter. Oh no, I'm out of butter. Oh no, I'm out of butter. Better call my mother. Oh, you have one? You have two sticks? Oh, great, Mom. Oh, I'll be right over. All right. Hey, she has a stick or two. Oh boy. Hey, she has a stick or two. Wow, that's great news. She has some butter. So I'm on my way, folks, to get some butter from my mom. But I'll see you next time when we do some more cooking and when I pull my shepherd's pie out of the oven and we see how nice and golden brown it is. See you then.